PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Yes. Do you know why your loop isn't good? Let me show you one or two. You're pushing the ball straight forward. Didn't get it? You're just feeding the ball straight. It has no quality, right? You're just accompanying the ball forward. But what do I require? Your stomach pushes your hand. On top of that, your hand adds more power. Use your thumb and wrist to rotate outward. Rotate outward to the right. Oh, to the right side. Push it with your stomach. Where does this power rotate? To the right, correct. Clearly not. You're just pushing it through. See, that's just pushing through with the ball. That's pushing right. That's to the right. You're following the ball forward. You're basically pushing it all the way forward. Still pushing forward. But when you're about to contact the ball, rotate outward with the momentum. This actually adds speed and pressure to the arc, right? The key to power is here, right? Oh, I was feeding too much. You're pushing the ball forward all the way. Once you feel you're about to contact it, hand pushes the ball, that's already forward force. Once you're close to the ball, just rotate outward smoothly. You've got the feeling now. You got it easy, right? Very good. Push with your stomach. Beautiful. Stomach pushes hand, hand pushes ball. Almost there. Rotate outward. Add force, press the arc. Accelerate and brush to press the arc. There's something about mine ...
给球作用力啊，找到感觉了？找到了，简单吧？对了，快碰到往外，对，快碰到往外，很好，快碰到往外，非常好，肚子顶它，漂亮，肚子顶手，手顶球，快顶到，向外转，转着发力压不行。 发力摩擦压不行哦，漂亮，漂亮，有点什么举出去了啊？好的，可以。
Don't rush the pace. Right, this is the power point. Prepare early. Ah, did you rush? Too early. Right. We must avoid sudden shots and rushing the pace. Clearly distinguish. The key to speed is in the sudden shot. It's not about rushing the pace. That's right. Did you rush again? So your hand didn't stay steady. Ha, right. Your core isn't engaged. Your hand is already pulling, eager to hit. Use strength when hitting the ball. Why do I emphasize turning outward? Yes, just had a ball. Why were you pushed back? You pushed yourself back. Right, it's not being pushed back. You need to push it yourself. Why? You have elbow joints. When your arm is straight, does your elbow hurt? Does it hurt or not? It means you need to turn outward smoothly, instead of turning straight forward. If you turn in a straight line, you'll get stuck in the end. Do you feel like you're pushing yourself? Yes, then you got pushed by the ball. The ball you pushed yourself? Don't block yourself. So we need to avoid the joints. Turn outward smoothly and avoid the joints. Turn forward smoothly. Did you get pushed? So we need to properly avoid the joints.
往前转就变成掏了，很好，很好。
Look at my elbow joint. Extend the elbow joint outward. Relax your hand naturally. Bring it to the right side of your belly button.
带到你的肚脐眼右侧，
Clearly, this is a curved stroke, right? Follow through with the curved stroke. Does it feel firm enough? Let me show you. Keep your overall posture relaxed.
看两个拳帽，放松，
Is it clear? Ah, to the right side of your belly button.
啊，到肚脐眼右侧，
What are you doing? Are you in this kind of state? You also extended, haha.
别直了，
Is your hand still in front enough? Are you just brushing the ball instead of hitting it?
你是不是等于就把球蹭了一下？
Have I truly twisted out the ball?
我是不是才真正拧出来了？
At the beginner stage, you should let them practice serving from this position first.
对吧？
This shouldn't be practiced for too long. Once they've developed a feel for the ball, make sure you have them practice it. Everything from judging to retracting. You need to practice this process. If you don't practice this, it's like only practicing hitting the ball. Judgment and adjustment. Right, look here.
收回来，把打出去，是吧？收回来，把打出去，
Instead of setting up the serve first,
你发。
many beginner kids end up practicing like this. Right, oh yes.
真是这样教。
But this teaching method is initially correct, because at the beginning, kids
小朋友
haven't built their ball sense yet.
搞得太复杂了，
They can't get the ball on the table.
没有自信了。
Right, because they aren't like us when we were young,
颠球颠俩月，
hitting against the wall for a month before playing at the table. So you can only make it simple and easy for them to build their confidence by playing on the table first. Right, but this period shouldn't be too long. Once they can play on the table, you have to start teaching from judging to the follow-through, including the forehand as well. Starting like this is simple and easy. Can you continue practicing like this?
建立球感，
You have to teach them more. Teach them this preparation, then retract after judging.
完了以后车开，哦，
Give enough space. Don't hurry them to play. Because if they can't play, they lose confidence. Then link it with the previous hitting practice.
再把前面击球的这个环节，
Isn't that completing a correct way to hit the ball?
正确的击球方式了吗？
Starting by practicing on the side and playing on the table.
调节大回击还原，
This action can be practiced, but the period shouldn't be too
这
long.
个举动可以练。
This is unavoidable. It's adapting to the current
现
situation.
在的形势，
Correct guidance is crucial from the beginning. Why do I juggle first, hit against the wall, do the movements? They've built a ball sense. They have the concept of movement. From the very start, they must practice correctly on the table. This process is unavoidable, but now, there's no other way, right?
练正确了，
Your club practices once or twice a
这
week.
没办法，对吧？
You have to use a method to solve this
一
problem.
次两次，
But if necessary, we start from what might be considered wrong.
方法来解决这个问题。
Then gradually, swiftly transition to the correct method. Add one more
对
element.
的错误的开始，
Let them practice dodging balls.
先建立兴趣，然后不宜过长时间，迅速的转换到正确的方法上去。但是在转换到正确的方法之前，加一个铺垫，就是让他练躲球，别急于让他打。
The ball you toss comes down. Your friends who have learned should know. What attracts the earth?
什么的吸引力，
Gravity. So, when you toss the ball,
抛起来，
you don't need to worry. As long as there's no wind in the gym. Naturally, it will fall down, right? Okay then. What is this? This is the force pushing down. This is called vertical force. You need to utilize this vertical force. Wait for it to come down. Land in the right spot.
之上
What force is on your hand? The force on your hand is close to horizontal.
的力，
See if it's like this. Let's start with the simplest serve. Toss the ball and let it drop. Isn't it a vertical drop?
是不是一个纵向？
Adding a horizontal force. See.
啊，
Where they touch is your hitting
后
point,
的这个位
right?
置就是你的什么击球点？
When you serve, do you want to serve long?
是不是要发长球啊？
So you wait for the ball to be at its lowest point. Wait for it to drop first.
等到什么最低？啊，
Can you hit it half as it drops down quickly? This just happened.
一半就赶紧发。
Either it goes out or something else happens, or it gets lifted. Why? Because of the table. It's relative.
打高了的情况。
If you want to hit the opponent's backline,
这个球台啊，
this is the backline, right? It's the white line on the opposite side.
的这个端
The baseline.
端线
Your first bounce.
那个白线。
Try to stay close to your baseline. If your hitting point is high, when you rush to hit the ball,
在自己的底线。
is it far from here?
你的击球点比较高。
To hit here,
急于去击球的时候，
do you have to smash it like this?
很远。
Look at the result of smashing it there. It bounces up high.
你看砸过去的结果是什么？
But if I wait until it's lowest and hit here, it won't bounce high, right? It won't bounce high anymore.
角度比较平的时候呢，还会高吗？不会高了。哦，我第一跳发在这儿，是不是蹦过去也是底线了，对吧？
Serve with side spin. I want to serve long. Should I also wait for it to drop lower? That's the baseline. What if I'm hitting from a higher position?
高的位置
I want to serve it here. What's happening here?
啊，
It went too high, right? How about if I want to serve a short ball? Let me test you.
考考你。
What should you do with a short ball? So,
击球点
should the contact point be slightly higher or drop to the lowest point?
稍微高一点。
Because of that, the first bounce should be smartly placed. The first bounce should be in the middle of the table. Right. So, if you want to wait for it to drop to the lowest point, aim towards the middle of the table.
那你们觉得是容易了还是
Right,
困难
it becomes more difficult. True. What if you slightly raise the contact point when serving long? Is it easier to serve it inside?
长球的时候略高一点呢？
Is it naturally shorter then? Because it's in relation.
到里面你再使点劲儿，是不是自然就短了？因为它是相对应的，对吧？哦，
When you loop and lob, you need to combine them.
对，对，对，对，对。
So, as a coach, our first priority is to have a clear mindset. Once you have a clear mindset, your teaching steps are scientific, effective, and rational. Only then can the kids practice well. You can't just practice randomly. You need to know what comes first. It's all calculated.
又输了。对，
Actually, if you make him hit the ball lower,
等低
and then come in to brush against it,
转进来去摩擦。
you're also forcing him back, forcing him to play defensively, creating spin and curve, right? Because there's a net here. He hasn't figured it out yet. You just let him practice explosive loops. Is this the ice crossing move, right? Originally, it was a direct hit. Suddenly you taught him to pull backspin shots. Just practice the rhythm of looping. The looping technique isn't right. It should be a drop shot first. Right. And he doesn't know how to adjust yet. This is you being proactive.
对，对。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.